Have you ever wondered what makes the Black Panther so mysterious and captivating? Which family does the Black Panther belong to? Why is it often associated with power and steel? And what secrets does its glossy black coat hide? In this video, we'll uncover all these fascinating details and more. The Black Panther isn't a separate species but a melanistic color variant of big cats, mainly leopards in Africa and Asia or jaguars in the Americas. Both belong to the Felidae family known for strength, sharp senses, and grace. Its dark fur comes from melanism, giving it perfect camouflage in shadows at night. This makes a stealthy, powerful predator symbolizing mystery and strength. Its coat hides it from prey and predators alike, making it a ghost of the forest.